Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Education Foundation. So, we are given a question which states that if I1 is equal to 6 amps, I2 is equal to 2 amps, I3 is equal to 4 amps, are entering a node, while I4, which is equal to 3 amps, and I5 are leaving. Find I5. So it's actually quite a simple process, but the first thing we are going to do is to convert this question into a diagrammatic format. That's the first thing we are supposed to do in order to simplify the question. So converting it into a diagrammatic format, this is what we are going to get. So as you can see in the above diagram, we have I1 which is going into the node, we have I2 which is going into the node, we have I3 which is going into the node, then we have I4 which is going out of the node, no more into the node, then we have I5 which is going out of the node. So the question tells us to find I5 while all these other four values are given. So now let's take note of the four values. So I1 is equals to 6 alpha or amps, I2 is equals to 2 amps, I3 is equals to 4 amps, I4 is then equals to 4 amps, I5 is not given. So hence we are supposed to find the value of I5. So if we notice in the question that I1 to I3 are entering inside the node, while I4 to I5 are going out of the node. So in order to find I5, we are going to make use of Kirchoffs Current Law, in which states that the sum of currents entering in a node of a circuit is equal to the sum of current going out of the node of a circuit. So with that knowledge in mind, we are going to make use of that law, applying KCL, which is Kirchoffs Current Law, which will be equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3, which will equals to I4 plus I5. The reason of formula being like this is that I1 to I3 are entering into the circuit, while I4 to I5 is going out of the circuit. So value of I1, which is equals to 6, then I2, which is equal to 2 alpha, then I3, which is equals to 4 amps. So then this will now be equals to 3 plus I5. So then if we further evaluate it, it will give us 6 plus 2 plus 4 will give us 12. 12 will now be equals to 3 plus I5. So we are now going to collect like terms, which will make I5 the subject of the formula. So therefore, I5 will be equals to 12 minus 3, which is then equals to 9 amps. So our value of I5 is 9 amps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.